So hey guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Today we're going to talk about 5 stock that you could invest $500 with and then invest $100 or $50, depends on what you could afford to put in the stock market every single other week or every 2 weeks into the portfolio, and you will see your portfolio growing substantially. Without no further ado, let's jump right in. Hustling. Every day I'm hustling. Every day I'm hustling. Every day I'm video. So the 5 stock that I'm talking about, these is 5 paying dividend company. 2 of these companies pay quarterly and 3 of these companies pay monthly. So all I'm gonna break it down is how much they pay, how much shares you could invest in, and you could, out of the $500, you still could get $8.59 left over to when you want to add more to your position, you could increase your position. So without further ado, let's get into the first stock. The first stock I want to talk about is a dividend king, AT&T. That's a king and aristocrat because they're paying out dividends over 30 years now, guys. So the AT&T currently trading for $29.13. I currently have 93 shares of AT&T, but I just increased my shares after they pay me a dividend of $38.16 for 73 shares. I plan to increase that position to 300 shares and let AT&T continue to pick up more shares with the Robinhood drip program, guys. So once I reach 300 shares of AT&T, I'm not going to invest any more capital into AT&T. I'm going to look for the next dividend stock to invest in because AT&T is going to continue every quarter to give me 2 to 3 shares. So I'm going to continue still growing AT&T. So the next with true compound interest. AT&T have a dividend yield of 7% and a PE ratio of 19%, guys. So the next stock I want to talk about is a monthly paying dividend stock that I'm so excited about, and I want to increase this position as fast as I can, guys. It's Realty Income. Realty Income is a real estate company that rent out properties, guys. They get property in housing, malls. They renting out business properties. So they continue when they make a profit, they're gonna continue to give a percentage of that profit to you guys. So I currently have 10 shares of Realty Income, and Realty Income is trading for $58.65, guys. And Realty Income is still down $17.35 and over 22%, guys. So these companies that I'm talking about, you could get value off of it because they're down, and when they goes back up, you could make money off of the price going up, and you could get a passive income, guys. And once you keep dollar cost averaging to these companies, you could continue to see substantial growth in your portfolio over time. So that's how I grow my portfolio, guys. When I first started with $7.50, start day trading, and then I increased to $1,000, then I increased to $2,000, then I put $5,000 in the market, and then I put my entire savings. I'm not telling you to put your entire savings, guys. That was a risk that I was willing to take, and it paid off for me. It mightn't pay off for you, so be very careful when investing in the stock market and do some research. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. These videos is just for entertainment purpose only. So, as I was saying, guys, the next stock I want to talk about is Capital Southwest. Capital Southwest is currently trading for $18.29. Capital Southwest is a monthly paying stock just like O, guys. So every single month you could receive a passive income and continue to build our wealth, guys. So it's trading right now. The dividend yield is 8%, guys. They're down $2.73, 12.99%, guys. So as I said, I'm looking for value and growth at the same time, guys. So I got value, I'm getting a passive income, and when the stock goes back up to its 52-week high, as the market always show you guys, it always repeats itself. So every time you see a crash in the market, the stocks that rally back up always rally up more higher than the previous 52-week high. So that's one thing to keep in mind. So the next stock I want to talk about is Main Street Capital, guys. Main Street Capital is trading for $32.01 right now, guys. They have a dividend yield of 7%. I currently look for stocks 2 to 5%, but since these are monthly paying dividend stock, guys, I'm willing to put my money where my mouth is and invest in these stocks. And I'm going to pick up a couple more shares on Tuesday on these stocks. I'm just giving you a heads up on the stocks that you can invest in. So they're currently down $12.74, 28%, guys. As I said, value. You always could get value off of these stocks, guys. And these stocks is diversified because you have companies in the real estate, the technology, guys. So you get a broader diverse. Although you invest in $500, you still get a diversification in your portfolio. So if one stock goes down and the next one goes up, it gives you a slight balance. So you don't want to invest in one particular company, and if you see that company goes down, you panic sell and sell out and lose a lot of money. As a new investor, guys, you want to always diversify your portfolio. If you don't know what diversification means, it's just, if for me, I have 85 stock in my portfolio, and for each sector, what I mean by each sector is different companies. So if it's technology, I have 4 stocks in technology. If it's real estate, I got 4 shares in real estate. If it's in hospitality, I got 4 shares in hospitality. So if one of those sectors goes up and the next sector rally, I don't see my portfolio, unless I see a drop like in March, my portfolio don't go down more than $3,000, guys, as you can see right here. And it already rallied back up to what it was is on the dip on Friday because of my cryptocurrency, guys. So I continue to invest in these companies to build wealth for the long term, guys. So the last and final stock is Shaw Communication. Is a monthly paying dividend stock. They're trading for $17.66. I currently have 10 shares of that. They're about to pay a dividend of 24 cents. So I'll receive a payment on this company, guys. My cost base for this company is $17.77, guys. They have a dividend yield of 4%. And the PE ratio is 17%, guys. So since that is monthly paying dividend stock, I'm going to continue to dollar cost averaging, and then I'm going to use Robinhood drip program. If you're new to this channel, I'm going to leave the description for Robinhood and Webull. You could receive 1 free stock from Robinhood and 3 free stock from Webull once you deposit $100 into your account, guys, and start your financial journey. So I have a printout what I'm going to do on Tuesday with $500, guys, to invest in these companies. So for Main Street Capital, I'm going to invest, buy 3 shares. If it's the price continue the same for $32.01, I'm going to buy 3 shares for $96.03, guys. For Southwest, for Capital Southwest, I'm going to buy 4 shares for $73.16 once the price can stay the same. When the market open, it could either go up or down, but I'm just giving you a perspective. If it stay the same, what I will do to increase my position. For Realty Income, I'm going to buy 2 shares for $117.16. For AT&T, I'm going to buy 4 shares for $116.52. For Shaw Communication, I'm going to buy 5 shares for $83.30. So I still get $8.59 left over when I invest in these companies, guys. And then I could either turn on, go to trade, go to shares, and I could go to dollar and take that $8 and still invest in all 5 of these companies. Because you could buy shares or you could turn on the dollar and buy as $1 cost. So if you want to put $1 in this company, you could put $1. If you want to put $2, you could put $2. And that's what I'm going to continue doing. I'm building wealth for the long term, guys. And I plan to start, I want to do a giveaway. Guys, if you watch this video to the end and you see this, I want to give away $200 worth of stocks or $200 worth of shares. If you like this video, comment on this video and subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section, guys. And in order for you to have $200 or 200 shares, $200 worth of shares, I'm going to start a 4-letter word. And the first letter is F. So every 50 subscriber I get, I give 1 letter. And the person who comment the first comment for the full 4-letter word, when I reach 500 subscribers, I will give you $200 worth of stocks or